She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. And you already know we're doing another blend request. And this request is coming from Carice, who requested the color copper and burgundy or copper and red. Today we'll be doing the color copper and red. So I'm going to show you guys this blend, and then I will also show me adding the color 350 to the end result of this blend, so then you can see the two different blends. And I think when I did it, I think that the color 350 pretty much just made the blend a little more dullness. So if you're scared of something so bright, yeah, adding the 350 would be a good way of toning this blend down just a tad bit. I don't think that it made too much of a difference, which was actually surprising to me, but I was just having fun with these colors and wanted to see what else I could add to it. If you guys have any suggestions on what you think would have looked better with this copper and red together, maybe I'll do it. So leave it down in the comments below. And if you like this video or if you like this blend, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Stay put until the very end. You'll see what this blend looks like as a braid, as well as what it looks like as a twist. And I will be showing both of the blends that I did. So again, stay put until the very end. Leave your comments below, and I'll talk to y'all in my next video. I hope y'all stay blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye, guys.